All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Charger. It is the RT Hemi with white with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, stereo controls, got heated seats, backup camera, fog lights, super freaking nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Your tire tread is under 730 seconds. Let me double check that. Only 18,000 miles on this car. Actually above 730 seconds. Let me see. Yep. We got a little dent here on the driver's door. PDR work. The rest of the side looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread is just under 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. There's a powered seat. You jump into this vehicle. Here's a push start system. Does come with two key fob combos. Two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your heated seats, controls, dimmer. Nice. You got your AC controls right down below. Got your parking thing, stuff like that. Got your radio. Display looks really nice. Yeah, you got your stereo controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 18,846. And that pretty much completes the tour. Throw up the trunk. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. The holes, the tears, the reps looks good. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Very nice. Rear bumper looks good. Got some sensors. What these? Some dirt. Right here. This is your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. Very nice. Clean. Nice. Do have a spare tire with some tools and such. And then I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Just to make sure that's not a scratch. Let's clean it up. Now we just cleaned it up. It is a scratch about 2 inches. 1, 2. All right. This quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Rear passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. It looks fucking nice. Tire tread is just under 730 seconds. Double checking it. Yep, under 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. The other side of it does have AC vents. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender, fantabulous. Front rim looks great. Tire tread just over 730 seconds. All right, lights are on, things are running. Let's see if these fog lights work. Whoo, hell yeah, these fog lights work, folks. Once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Dodge Charger RT Hemi with only 18,000 miles. If you guys get any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Beautiful freaking car. Thank you and happy bidding.